Hey there, how you doing? Hey, what is the first thing you do when you wake up in the morning? Hmm? Did you know that the first thing you do when you wake up in the morning, those first 5 minutes, have the ability to control your entire week? They really do. Most people wake up, get out of bed, they'll reach over, grab their phone, and they'll start scrolling. Right of the notifications and nonsense, you're setting your entire internal system on fire before you even get out of bed. You're worried about crap that ain't going to happen, right? It's like, whoa. I'm going to give you a couple things that you should do when you wake up. When you wake up, take 60 seconds and just feel the gratitude. I know this is probably a little woo-woo for some people, but I tell you, it does the body good, right? That, next thing you want to do, drink water. Get 8, 10, 12 ounces of fresh water, and that's it. Don't worry about your coffee. Just get your water. Water's going to wake you up more than anything else will. I guarantee it. It will. Okay, another thing you can do, write down. I do this every morning and every night, and even during the afternoon. I document all my notes because I have so many things going on up here that if I don't take notes, crystal clear notes, like a doctor every day, I'll forget what I did. I'll start another project and will not finish it. Don't do that. That's not good. All right. Another thing you can do, so I was just about to say, write down what you're going to do that day. Today, I'm going to do this. I'm going to finish this. All right. The important thing here is to show up. You don't have to be perfect. There's no perfection. What we want is presence. Be in the game. Be in the game. So tonight, as you're going down to bed, put in your mind, what am I going to do tomorrow? What is tomorrow going to look like? Plan that out in your head. Get it through your head. I'm going to do this. I'm going to succeed at this. I'm going to make more videos tomorrow, right? That's what I'm going to do. And I've got some funnels to work on. And I'm writing a book. But you know what? All these things are written down, and I know what I'm doing next. All right? So, hey, just do that, and you'll be happy you did. And another thing is, if the first time you're seeing me, my name is Gus. I am also known as the Funnel Philosopher. Today is day 6 of 100-day journey of adding and improving 1% per day, which brings us to the magic number of 170.48%. And again, if this is your first day, don't worry about it. Soon there'll be a place for you to dive in and go in more in depth and see everything that we missed. Because like I said, it's documented for your pleasure. All right. Hey, that being said, all is done. All is well. Have a happy Sunday. God bless and enjoy your day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.